Unit 1, Organisms and Surroundings. Observe the pictures. Isn't throwing of waste to the surroundings harmful to habitats? Yes. Discuss and write about those activities which pollute the soil. Excessive use of pesticides in farms, excessive use of chemical fertilizers, improper waste disposal, industrial activities. How does soil pollution affect the ecosystem? Discuss and write about it in my environmental science diary. Soil becomes unhealthy, affects plant growth, impacts animals, pollutants can seep into groundwater or nearby water bodies. Soil pollution can lead to the extinction of plants and animals. What are the other factors which get polluted like this in our surroundings? Air, water. Observe the pictures and find out the situations of air pollution. Picture 1, open fires. Picture 2, industrial emissions. Picture 3, forest fires. Picture 4, pesticide spraying. Discuss and write down the harmful effects of air pollution. Air pollution can have harmful effects on our health. Every year, about 7 million people die in the world due to various diseases caused by air pollution. Air pollution can have a harmful effect not only on humans but also on plants and animals. Harmful effects of air pollution are declining crop yields, acid rain, global warming, ozone depletion, etc. Observe the pictures. In which circumstances does water get polluted? Discharge of industrial waste, sewage. How does water pollution affect living things and humans? Water becomes polluted due to the presence of various chemicals and organic substances. Polluted water causes various health issues and diseases. Waste from factories and houses, plastic waste, pesticides, other chemicals, petroleum, etc. cause water pollution. The decrease in the level of oxygen in water is due to pollution. This is a threat to the lives of organisms living in water. Let's read Adi's diary note. Nature's Fury, 30/7/2024. Our house was on a hillside. Ours is an area that receives good rainfall. The monsoon rain was slashing down without any stop. It was raining heavily. The water level in the river had also risen. If the water level rose further, our house would be flooded. In the evening, it began to rain severely. There was no electricity. We were afraid of what would happen if the rain continued. We were paying attention to the danger warnings. We noticed that the pets in the houses were disturbed and making unusual noise. Realizing the danger, my parents took us to a relative's house, a short distance away from us. The rain did not stop. We fell asleep. It was in the early morning that we heard the shocking news. Many people died in landslide. The destructive power of that huge natural disaster washed away our house, school, some friends, relatives, and the entire village. Have you read Adi's diary? Yes. Do natural disasters occur in various parts of the world? Yes. Which all natural disasters do you know? Find and write them down. Landslide, earthquake, forest fire, floods, cyclones, droughts. Natural disasters cause great damage to the environment and living things. Natural disasters can occur due to natural causes or human interference. Observe the collage. What are these warnings about? The warnings are of heavy rains in these areas. What precautions should be taken if a flood warning is received? Discuss with your friends and present your suggestions. Monitor local news and weather reports. Prepare an emergency kit. Secure your home. Turn off gas, electricity, etc. Evacuate if necessary. There are systems to give warnings about natural disasters. If precautions are taken based on these warnings, it is possible to provide protection to life and environment. Protection of ecosystem. Countless organisms are there on land and in sea. How beautiful it is to see them living in harmony with nature. Organisms find their food and habitat from the ecosystem. Ecosystems from the base for life and its diversity. It is our duty to protect our ecosystems. We shall also participate in activities to protect the ecosystem. Our earth, our future. We ourselves are the protectors. Let's follow Green Protocol. Let's assess. 1. Connect the organisms with their habitats. Organisms, habitats. Whale, ocean. Penguin, polar region. Spotted deer, forest. Camel, desert. 2. Visit an ecosystem in your area and write down the names of the organisms you find there. Find out their interdependence. So you can do this activity according to your area. 3. Read the table below and connect the organism and its adaptation. Frog. Breathe through the skin. Fish. Breathe with the help of gills. Water lily. The leaves have waxy coating. Camel. Possess flat feet that do not sink in sand. Cactus. Store water in the stem. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more updates.